Today, we're going to walk you through the simple process of converting your Excel files into Google Sheets format. Whether you're making the switch or just need to collaborate more easily, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's get started and make your data more accessible than ever. Step 1. Open Google Drive. Head over to Google Drive and sign in with your Google account. Step 2. Upload your Excel file. Click on the New button, then select File Upload. Choose the Excel file you want to convert from your computer. Step 3. Open with Google Sheets. Once uploaded, right-click on the file in Google Drive, hover over Open With, and select Google Sheets. Step 4. Save as Google Sheets. The file will open in Google Sheets in a new tab. Go to File, then Save as Google Sheets. This will create a new spreadsheet in your drive. Step 5. Review and edit. Check your newly converted file for any formatting issues and make necessary edits to ensure it looks just right. And there you have it, a seamless transition from Excel to Google Sheets. If this tutorial was helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.